This is a short guide on resetting the CTM-500 wireless gateway. When holding the reset button for less than 5 seconds, nothing will happen to the device. The same happens when holding the reset button for more than 20 seconds. This is useful in the case where you may have missed the reset option you were aiming for. When holding the button between 5 to 10 seconds, the device will reboot. The SIM2 light will stay on. Shortly after, the other lights will begin to power back on after the device has rebooted. Holding the reset button between 10 to 15 seconds will revert the device to failsafe configurations and then reboot. SIM1, SIM2, and the top LED for cell will stay on. Once the device has rebooted, the other lights will power back on as well. Holding the reset button between 15 to 20 seconds will revert it to the factory configurations and then reboot the device. All 5 of the tech, SIM1, SIM2, and the top and middle cell LEDs will stay on. Once the device has rebooted, the rest of the lights will power back on as well. You should now be able to successfully reset your CTM-500 wireless gateway. For more information or for additional help, visit our website.